we have with us Dr. Palak. She is a subscriber of the Conceptual Anesthesia app, and I am very, very happy to say that she has passed her DNB theory exams, which were held in May. Congratulations, Dr. Palak.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
So, Dr. Palak, can you please give us a little bit of background about your preparation, your journey in anesthesia, and how you have used our app and how it was beneficial for your preparation?
Yes, ma'am. I'll be very glad to share my experience in using this app. I was introduced to this app by a flyer in Telegram and with one of my friends also telling me good reviews of this app. I would be like one of the first students or subscribers of this app. And while I entered DNB exam, I was very nervous that how would I prepare because the passing rate is like they are very strict with the theory exam papers checking and all. And because my background was I had done my diploma way back in 2016, I was very worried that how would I, accomplish myself in academics because that was the most important part of doing DNBs. And when I started using the app, it felt like I will not leave any topics because whenever you are preparing any exams, especially alone, because I did not have any colleague, and I felt that this app will help me and boost me in academic way in like every theory and practical exams. And I started using the app just after I entered DNB, like 4 or 5 months, and just it was not only the academic parts, but the classes like how to prepare by Jhanvi ma'am, and how you approach like start with anatomy and physiology first, and then go in the pathology part and anesthetic management, and how to write also the DNB exams. There are classes on that also. It helped me a lot, and I think I started preparing only from the app plus from the standard books as a reference. And I was glad that all the teachers, authors, they used standard reference books only. So I was not
Correct.
worried about the source, like
Hmm.
is it a false information? Because with the Google and
Yes.
all,
Yes.
data is available here
Yes.
and there, but you are worried about the source. But
Yes.
here, very authentic and very standard information given to the students like us. And I started making notes
Hmm.
out of the classes. And initially, the notes were not available of all the classes, but
Yes.
now it is available. So I started making notes, and while the revision phase of my preparation, I used that notes only, and it
Okay.
helped me a lot.
Okay. That's really nice to hear. We have a few features on the app that we would like to ask how they were useful to you. So one of them are that we have daily live classes. Like literally
Yes.
every day we have a teacher taking a live class. Now I know that residency is very hectic, having gone through it myself. So did you actually get time to watch the live classes or you used to watch it later?
I used to watch it later most of the time, but every now and then when got a chance to be live
Hmm.
with the authors and teachers, I used to do it because live sessions are very interactive,
Correct.
and when you watch it afterwards, there are some doubts and all you can't clear. But there was also a technical team.
Hmm. Yes.
There is a group in Telegram, so we
Yes.
used to put our queries regarding the classes, and there was
Yes.
always ma'am, you were also always available
Yes.
to clear our queries. So that part is also really nicely taken care of.
Okay. Another thing, we have provided you all with books now. Then second set of books has come now of the solved DNB theory papers
Yes,
of the last 5 years and short cases.
yes,
But since you joined in the beginning, we had given a set of books on instruments and drugs and long cases in anesthesia. So did
yes.
you end up using those books for your theory preparation, or are you
Uh,
planning to use them for your practical preparation now?
yes, ma'am. I'm planning to use for the practical because instruments and all long cases, and now we have the books on the short cases also that
Yes.
I have availed,
Yes.
and I'm planning to use it. And I'm really, happy that I have that source because I'm sorted for the practical exam that I feel like that.
Yes.
And I use the drugs wala book for the theory exam also, because there are few questions on pharmacology also. So I
Yes.
use that book.
Okay. And how are you going to use the app for your practical DNB practical preparation now ahead?
So there are so many recorded sessions and upcoming sessions in the case discussion part, and I really anticipate that these live sessions are really going to help me,
Yes.
because when it comes to the practical,
Hmm.
reading a book is not always sufficient enough.
Correct.
Because presenting a long case, you require communication skills, and you require the to know the mindset of the examiners also. So
Absolutely.
while attending that, I think I'll get the tips and
Thank you.
yeah. So how
Yes.
to present the
Navigate
case?
your practical exam. Yes, the
Yes,
clinical case discussions, we made it in such a way that we have a teacher who is actually taking a live clinical case discussion
yes,
with the student. So the student
yes,
is presenting and the teacher is asking questions. So we've tried to keep it as authentic as the main DNB exam. And
yes,
we also do have the OSCE sessions. So
yes.
all the past 5 years OSCEs have been uploaded with the answers. So
Mhm.
I hope that that would also be useful to you. And
Yes.
what would you recommend regarding the app to your juniors or whoever joins PG after you?
I have already recommended the app to my juniors, and they have availed. They are also subscribers of this app, and they are also very happy. And they are
Yes.
like, with the result, like my result, they are very happy that they have subscribed with the app.
Yes.
And we also discuss कि कल का live session तुमने देखा था, इसमें मैम ने ये बोला था. We also discuss while doing the cases in the OT. So that
Yeah.
is very fun way, when you have
Yeah.
the colleagues and juniors who
Yes.
are also opting for the same source of preparation of exam.
And do you want us to add something more to the app which you think would be more helpful for your preparation?
I think for the initial part, I felt that notes are not there, but now the team is working very hard. Even the
Yes.
technical team is so good. Like I remember while preparing the exam and while doing it in the library, I used to see कि कल का live session अभी upload नहीं हुआ है, and then I used to just message the technical team on the Telegram, and they used to upload it in 1 hour, and they used to tell me that doctor, now it is uploaded, and it has helped me a lot, you know.
Okay.
So I think everything is covered up, and books are also very nice to have.
Yes, we
Yeah.
plan to release more such books. And now that we've finished the cases, we were thinking of also doing specialty wise books. So
Yes.
hopefully that will be more useful for your juniors, not for you. I hope by then, like your practicals will be done.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. And thank you so much for joining us today, Dr. Palak. And I'm really glad you are actually one of our first subscribers because in
Yes.
a few days we will be completing 1 year of this app. And we are so happy that you trusted the app, and we are happy that we were able to deliver whatever you expected out of us. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much, ma'am.